Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Ishin Pro DVR to the Furious FPV Dock-King. Now when I initially reviewed the Furious FPV Dock-King, the Furious FPV DVR module wasn't available yet, and the way I recorded the video was using one of the AV outs. The major drawback is that I had to power the Ishin Pro DVR externally, and it's not as convenient as using the DVR port. So after I reviewed the Dock-King, I decided to experiment with the DVR port, and using a multimeter I could find which pin is the ground and the plus 5 volts, but I had some hard time to figure out the rest of the pinouts. I did find which one is the video, but I decided to reach out to FuriousFPV and ask them for a diagram. They kindly supplied me with one, and I also asked them if I can share it on YouTube, and luckily they said yes. So in this video I'm going to share the diagram and show you how to connect the Ishin Pro DVR to the DVR port. So this is the pinout of the DVR port. The right pin is the ground, then plus 5 volts, video, audio, control, and then ground again. This is the 6 pins connector that you need to get. The only place they found that selling it is AKK. Probably there are also other vendors that selling it, but I didn't find them, so I'm going to put a link to this connector in the description box down below. So you can see it connects very easily to the DVR port. And then the only thing you need to do is to connect the corresponding wires of the audio, video, ground, and plus 5 volts to the Ishin Pro DVR. So on one end, it connects the Ishin Pro DVR. You can see the pinout over here. The left pin is the plus 5 volts, then the ground, then the video in, and I also connected the audio pin. I did try to connect also the recorded button in order to control it with the Dock-King, but unfortunately it just didn't work for me, and it could be nice to use the auto recording feature and also to control the recording using the Dock-King, but as I said, it just didn't work. And soon I'm going to receive also the DVR module from FuriousFPV, so I'll be able to compare the quality between the Ishin Pro DVR and the FuriousFPV module. And of course, the FuriousFPV module is a plug-and-play module, and you don't have to do any soldering work. You just have to connect it to the DVR port, and it's going to work out of the box. Now the Pro DVR is connected, and as you can see, after powering on the Dock-King, the Ishin Pro DVR powers on as well. Now, even though that after upgrading the FuriousFPV Dock-King to the latest version, it's compatible with any Fetchak receiver module, it still has a little bug. You can see that after powering on the module, we can see over here not connected. You can solve it in two ways. First of all, you can change the channel on the module, and also after plugging in the camera, it takes a few seconds after it detects the signal, and you can see that now it's working properly. In addition, we can see the RSSI on the back of the Dock-King, and then you can change the Dock-King settings using the back navigation button. So the next thing I'm going to do is to show some flight footage that was recorded on the Ishin Pro DVR using the Furious FPV Dock-King. I used both 3D 3.7 and rapid fire models. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions about any of these products, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.